And here we go, our most recent completed project. It's a wooden fence that we just designed and installed. It was designed by Flores Landscaping, and we installed it. This customer likes Mexican art, and she wanted to have something that resembles what she likes. So we decided to get rough wood and paint it, you know, in the different very Mexican colors. So here it is. If we do all kinds of different fencing, wood, metal, vinyl. You can give us a call, and we can definitely come and do a consultation for you, so you can actually get the fence that you like. We can definitely help you. You can contact us at floresartscape.com, and we can help you with your fence. See you in the next one.